happening, all my child people? Hope you're all good. Yeah, do you know what? I'm excited about this one because I've got a new intro. So yeah, so a quick one today is what we're going to be doing: HIDs versus new LEDs. Which one's got the bright intensity, and not just that, the lights ain't working properly. So let's show you that. But let's get into that intro. Let's say you want to drive with your side lights on, just full ignition. That's side lights, yeah? So this is what happens while you try and just have side lights. So yeah, that's what happens. Try and have the side lights on. Now let's show you the brightness of the HIDs. Yeah, it all looks quite a bit of a mess. I'll show you on the other side a bit better, but yeah, like we said, this is the comparison. Oh, here we got the filthy ballast. Should really be disconnected from battery, but yeah. That's that. Disconnect that, because we don't need that. Oh yeah, this is disgusting, man. Old unit, goodbye. So we can see a bit better. That's the bulb there. What we're changing. Push it down and yeah. Don't think I'm going to be able to use these covers. That is a lot of wiring. Just want to make sure that you've got the correct bulb. That looks good to me. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. Let's get it in. Wee bit of a tight squeeze. What do you lot think of my ringtone? Lovely. That's it clipped into the place. Don't forget to put your positive and minus. Yeah. That's in. Look for things. Just getting caught, stuck right there. So, is it worth me trimming it down? I don't really want to, but might need to. It's only a bit of plastica. Now that should hopefully go straight in. Lovely. That'll do. That'll do. It's all clipped into place nicely. Where's my connection gone? What was here? Not that one. Strange. There is. Right. Positive is always red. Better, less wires, but still disgusting. what we're gonna do with this. LED bulbs are brighter than the HID bulbs, but yeah, HID is one anyway, as you saw. Oh, they're just nasty. We've got the new LED technology, and yeah, man. Obviously, you need to test it out at night time, see if it's brighter. So that's a test tomorrow when I'm on to work anyway. But hit down the comments down below what you think, and let me know about the intro. Anyways, yeah, like always, like, share, comment, subscribe. We're nearly there to 500. It was on 400 in there. Yeah, unfortunately, it's gone back down to 399. Subscribe, y'all. Like always, love you all. Keep blessed and stay charged. Cheers!